Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back to another video. I have a shop with me at none other than Dollar Tree. Now, I was out and about and I decided to go into Dollar Tree just to see what they have, you know, because that's what we do. And so they had a lot of Halloween stuff out. So I wanted to share what this store had, as well as some things that I saw in the Crafter Square section that I hadn't seen at my store. So anyway, it's very interesting. Anyway, guys, come back and at the end of the video, I will share a small haul of things that I did pick up and brought home with me, and also share within the video. When I get to that point, I'm going to share one of the signs that I used for this right here that I created over the last year using something from Halloween. So you don't want to miss that. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let me share my walkthrough as well as my haul. This right here is what I was surprised to find. This vinyl, like for die cutting machine, like Cricut, Silhouette, that kind of thing. Anyway, they also have the tools like the spatula and the scraper and weeding tool, as well as some tape and paper piercer and a score. Wow, they had all of this good stuff. Anyway, so then I also was excited to find some of these colored wire frames. I usually just find the green, but I found some gold and some silver, which is cool. Anyway, I'm sharing these here because I love these clips. I get them from the laundry section. They open up very wide, and I like to use these in my crafting. All right, let's go ahead and get into the haul and let me share what I got. Okay, guys, what do you think I got? I really didn't get that much stuff, only because I have been cleaning and organizing and doing different things because if you do not know, I retired from my day job after 32 and a half years, and so as of August the 1st, I am a full-time crafter, mama, wife, that kind of thing. Anyway, and I am enjoying it so much. The Lord is so good to me and has brought so many sweet friends to my channel, and I'm so glad that you're here. Anyway, so I don't need a whole lot of stuff, but I, when I'm out and about, I'm like, yeah, I better pick it up just in case, Anyway, so I want to go through and share some of the things that I did get, and so maybe it will inspire you too. Now, in the fall stuff, I picked up a couple of these. I can't remember if I have some of these. There are a lot of new signs for fall and for Halloween this year at the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm not a very big, like, gory, scary Halloween person. I like the cutesy, fun Halloween stuff. So anyway, that's what you'll see with, for the things that I create. Anyway, but I love this fall sign. Has little pickets, has sunflowers, hay rides, and pumpkins. So I got a couple of those. And then, let's see, I found this in the, where the picture frames and stuff are. This is so cute. I have not seen these at my local Dollar Tree. It's like a canvas. It's thick. And then there was another one like this. It says welcome fall. A lot of our Dollar Trees have these like shadow boxes, but this one actually says hello fall or welcome fall. Welcome fall. I thought that was pretty neat. And let me see. And then let's see, I got some of the little miniature ornaments. These apples are what I used in my apple DIYs. These little cutouts, every year Dollar Tree seems to have different cutouts for the different seasons. So I got another package of those, and then I picked up some acorns. Just so cute, acorns. And then the Dollar Tree I was at, you saw, had these colored frames. I can usually just find the green frames, but these actually had the silver and the gold, and they're 14 inches. And so great size for my wreaths. And then I picked up this sticker. It says to be the sunshine with the sunshine. How cute. And then also in the crafter square, I picked up a few more, just a couple more of these chalkboards, the little standing chalkboard on the the little stand. It has a little wooden stand on it. Anyway, for Halloween, what I picked up is they had these signs again. And like I mentioned, these are the signs that I used in this trash to treasure thing that I did last winter, and also in my Christmas in July, I shared that I had created this. The backdrop is using these signs. These signs from the Dollar Tree. And so what I did is I just took some paint sticks and just glued them on the back. I didn't worry about painting this because this is just mine and my, what I had done for the video. And anyway, a lot of friends loved this. And also because they love the jagged, move it a little bit closer. because the notching in the sign. And so I was very happy. I was so excited when I saw these again this year. Now, I had one left from last year. Now, this is the one from last year. And the ones this year have a little bit more glitter around the edges. And also on the, this is last year, this is this year. And so it has a little bit more glitter around the edges, but it doesn't matter because it's just paper and you could take that off. But I just wanted to share that those signs are back again if it's something that you want to create, you know, kind of like this, that have the jagged notches for the, you know, the little signs. Anyway. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of your sweet and kind comments, the support of my channel, just by liking and just sharing with a friend. Greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. And until next time, God bless.